tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, Brandon Wade. It's 2 Deflon 3515s.
Okay.
On it's only a single 7900 right now, but I'm gonna be getting another one.
Okay.
Because that single one it's not enough for them.
Yep. Nice.
Then I have a access LTO bank of 80 amp hours.
You did some work up here?
Yep. Half-inch NDF front to back, and then 3/4 inch plywood front to back, and an extra layer 3/4 and up front and back.
You're peaking at what? 30, 31 hertz, or do you know?
Yeah. Right now, I peak at about 36 actually.
36? Okay.
I used to peak lower, but ever since I did this, my peaks.
Yeah, gone up. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around. We got a Brandon system, a dual 15-inch subwoofer box. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. This was at the Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it at the show. He really did a good job as well laying out the box. Seemed like he has an optimal amount of space from the port to the back of his hatch. You can see the box is mounted down as well. Didn't really see the box move much, and a lot of vehicle work to get this vehicle from breaking, even though it is tearing apart from the amount of subwoofer pressure that it's putting out. These are 3,000 watt RMS subs. I'm pretty sure it was on the DefBont site. The DB 3515s. I didn't get the actual airport size, but I'm pretty sure these are 3 8-inch aero ports that he fit in this box to optimize for his output. Sadly didn't find the tuning, but he peaked at 36 hertz. And he has an 8,000 watt amplifier, powerful lithium bank as well. I wish I would have got the box specs also, but usually for a 15-inch sub, people run them around 3.5 to 4.5 cubes. Looks like a really well-built, solid, double baffle stacked box. So he's probably around the 7 to 8 cube mark. Don't know sure if Brandon is watching this, he'd be able to give us some comment feedback on that. Also, he has a plywood roof. I was trying to get some actual flex on the roof. Notice that he sealed off the whole plywood roof with this Dynamat as well, so it makes it look better than just the wood look. And there wasn't very much flex, but there is a little bit you'll see on the camera shot. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral. And if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well at JacobViral. Enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive from Brandon. hertz, or do you know?
Right now I peak at about 36 actually.
36? Okay. A little higher.
I used to peak lower, but ever since I did this, and my peaks.
Yeah, gone up. Thank you for the demo. Thank you for the demo. Hello.